So good morning. We have here the Skyjack SJ45T. There's an check engine code. So in this unit, you can read the check engine code based on the blink on the check engine light. We have the manual here. Says that turn the engine on, keep the emergency stop pulled out, hold the diagnostic switch, this one, but the switch is got broken, so we're gonna use a flat screw. Hold the diagnostic switch, this one, for about 3 seconds, then let it go. The diagnostic indicator light flashes in this sequence: fast flash, pause, slow flash, pause, fast flash. The flashes represents a 3-digit, so I have a 3-digit engine code. So let's try this. So engine on, emergency stop pulled, stick switch for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Let it go. We'll go out. Now we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1. Yeah, it's 3, 4, 1. Gonna do it again if there are more check engine code. Hold the switch for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Let it go. Watch for the indicator light. Count 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3. Watch the check engine indicator light. Now we're gonna count 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 216. So we have the 216. Again, hold the check engine indicator switch for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Let it go. Watch the light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 1, 1, 1, 2. So you have 5, 1, 2. So here are the codes. This is our manual for the Skyjack SJ45T service manual. These are the code. I already print this. We have 341. We have engine shut off, demand ignore. We have 216 sensor aero low fuel pressure. We have 134 rail pressure metering unit. We have 512 starter relay, all about starter relay 512. These are the things that we need to check